Hello learners. Welcome to Speak With Me. In our previous video, we learned the basic parts of tense, past, present, and future. Today, we'll focus on past tense, learn how many types it has, and understand it in a very easy way. What is past tense? Past tense is used to talk about actions that already happened. For example, I played yesterday. Past tense has 4 types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Now let's start with simple past. This is used when something is already completed in the past. For example, I ate food. I played football. Now let's learn about past continuous. This tense is used when an action was happening in the past. For example, I was eating. I was playing. Now let's learn about past perfect. This is used when one action was completed before another action in the past. For example, I had eaten before he came. I had finished my work before 5 o'clock. Now let's learn about past perfect continuous. This tense is used when an action was continuing for some time in the past. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours. I had been working since morning. Let's quickly revise. We learned 4 types of past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Thank you for watching. Keep learning English and keep improving every day. Subscribe to Speak With Me. In the next video, we will learn the types of present tense.